friends, it's Megan Elizabeth, and I'm excited to share with you guys a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout featuring Nature's Poem paper, rooted in nature, and then the Nature's Poem cardstock, with the exception of adding Berry Vanilla. I cut out a bunch of shapes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I totally went into Cricut Design Space, just typed in leaves in my, or no, vines is actually what I typed, in my search bar. And I have quite the arrangement of different ones, including ones from Flower Market. You know what, I don't even know what they're all from, to be really honest with you. I just picked out a variety that I liked of vines and ferns inside my Cricut Design Space. So that's what I did. I cut them all out on one 8.5 by 11 sheet of Tranquil Tide. This is a picture from over the summer that's going to forever be very near and dear to my heart. This summer, for my parents' wedding anniversary, normally every year, well, not every year, but for the last several years, they've gone to the shore, and my sister and I have gone down to the shore with them. But as my sister had been fighting and being so ill, my parents ended up finding a lake house that our entire family could fit in, and we spent a couple days together as an entire family. And this is kind of like the last big thing that our family did together before my sister passed. So I love this family picture, and I definitely want to keep it as something very special, and I want to do a scrapbook layout with it. So that's what I'm doing today. And so I just adore this particular sheet of paper, the ferns. I want like 4 more sheets just of this one. I love the vines, the ferns, the like textured background. And we're going to just have some fun with it today. I'm going to use my paper saver method for my Berry Vanilla cardstock. And I'm going to cut down this fern sheet to be a 10-inch square. So instead of 12 by 12, it's going to be 10 inches by 10 inches. All right, and then I'll keep that for a card or something later because it's so pretty. And like I said, I want to do kind of a paper saver with this because I want to use this color to frame out my picture as well. My plan is just to use a lot of these elements, the stamps from Rooted in Nature and these vines, to just create a lot of different layers of texture to this layout. But that's really as far as I got. So I hope that's big enough even. Stink. Well, we may have to use a different piece of that to frame out. I should have measured. I just kind of went at it. And sometimes when you just go at it, it doesn't work out quite right. All right, but I know this is going in the center. And I have some clue how I want to arrange this. All right. So let me see here. Is this going to all fit? No, it's not. But maybe if I trim this down here, we can trim this picture a little. We don't need quite so much tree and floor space, to be honest with you. Kind of make it our own little custom size. I don't think this needs to be quite as large as it is, so we'll take this down a notch. And I'm going to background this with Tranquil Tide ink, so it's going to be very tone on tone here. And I'm doing this on the back of the layout so I can go off the edges any way I want to and not worry about it, is my plan. this down, adhere that on top. Okay, so it's just a little more framed out, matted, coordinates, but has that color separation. All right, and then I'm really gonna just kind of go crazy with placing these down and where I want them to be and come out of. I don't have a particular plan in mind. I just wanted to use them. And I even thought what I would do for some of these guys is, quite literally, I thought I would ink some of them as well. And I'm even thinking like having a little sprig come out the bottom here and one come out the top here. Just really simple. All right, so if I want to ink on some of these, we could ink the back here. We could use more of these right on the die cut. I like the way that looks. I kind of want to do it on all of them. Probably don't need to do it on all of them, but I do really like how it looks. Okay, we'll stop there with that kind of situation. And I'm just placing these really randomly underneath, however I kind of decide and feel like, hey, I like that, that works, kind of overlaps well, and just giving it that like dimension and layers coming out of it. Really very tonal too. Like I'm not trying to add a ton of different colors. I might add one pop of rich raspberry. Okay, so like just kind of a ton going around it all the way. And now I'm gonna grab my Be Strong, Be Happy, Be You. Let's see if I wanna do this, how I wanna do this. Okay, I wanna do Tranquil Tie to this. Actually, let's just cut these all the way out. I'm gonna just cut out the Be Strong part. And I'm gonna grab my corner rounder. Quarter-inch round setting. I should straighten it a little, I guess. It doesn't really matter because it's going underneath here. Okay. So it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but a little corner round setting just to make a little tab come out. I'm just gonna use the Be Strong one. Place it down there. I'm gonna grab another one, and again, quarter-inch round. Go all the way up here and in between. All right, and I think I'm just gonna use a marker and I'm gonna write 2018. This is one of the micron 005 size. And I was going to use twine and everything too, but I kind of like let go of that idea as well. I think I'm just going to keep it with this. Maybe add a few places where these gold metallic pearls can kind of pop through, because gold and green do look beautiful together. Just kind of hide them in there. Yeah, just like that. And that is going to be my layout for today's Tuesday tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, got a little bit of inspiration, and can have fun stamping on your die cut images as well. Don't be afraid to do that. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you again soon at buymeganelizabeth.com, and links are below for getting in She Makes Club and all the products that you see here today. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.